The next time you're in the mood for Indian food, try this.
Pour oil into a frying pan. Fry cubes of paneer on all sides. To a separate pan, add cashews, dried chilies, whole coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and cardamom. Roughly chopped red onion goes in next. Dry toast this for a minute or two, tomato passata, bring this to a boil and cover. Simmer for 10 minutes. Now let's make that brown butter. Add unsalted butter to a pan. Let it melt into liquid gold. These bubbles mean that the water is evaporating from the butter. It'll start to foam and the milk solids will caramelize. Your flavor-packed brown butter is now ready. This is going to form the base of our curry. Reserve 2 tablespoons for the end. Add ginger and garlic, tomato puree, ground turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder for a deep crimson color, garam masala. Pour in your cooked tomato mixture. Allow this to cool and then blend until super smooth. Pour this back into a pan, a little bit of water to adjust the consistency, salt, agave or brown sugar to balance out the chili and sourness. I always finish my makhani with ground cardamom for a final zip of flavor. A swirl of cream and lots of kasuri methi. Rub it between your palms to release the flavors. Pop in your fried paneer. And finally, that reserved brown butter. The toasty, nutty aroma of brown butter transforms the traditional paneer makhani we all know and love into something even more sensational.